My 16W Honeywell generator is off and shows message charger missing AC.
Do you know the model of your Honeywell generator? How old is it?
60 Hz air-cooled generator installed this July.
How long has this been going on with your Honeywell generator? What have you tried so far?
The generator turned itself on yesterday for no reason, had power, not data test run, I manually turned it off. When I turned it back on and pushed auto, it turned on again and ran full throttle for 8 minutes before I turned it off.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
When it turned on, it stayed at full power.
Hello, my name is. I am going to assist you with this. What are the model number and serial number of the genset?
16 kW generator model #G00700591, serial number 3,004,599,092.
Okay. Charger missing AC means that there is no 120 volts available to the controller for battery charging. The charger gets 120 volts from the transfer switch, via the T1 fuse. Take the cover off your transfer switch. Remove the inside panel from the transfer switch. Depending on which TS you have, the fuse will be one of two types. If you have the older version, the fuses, 3 of them total, will be about 5/16 of an inch diameter and 1/5 long. If you have this type, be very careful. Each of those fuses carries 120 volts, and between any two of them is 240 volts. Using insulated tools, remove the T1 fuse, and test it with a meter. Replace if blown. If you have the newer type TS, the 3 fuses will be mounted on a small circuit board in the lower left corner. The fuses will be about 1/8 of an inch diameter and 3/4 of an inch long. If you have this TS, there will also be a 6-pin connector on the right side of the circuit board. Make sure the genset switch is set to off, then unplug the connector. It will remove power from all 3 fuses. Pull the T1 fuse, and test with a meter. Replace it if it is blown. Was it a blown fuse?
Blown fuse caused by wire vibrating when running and shorting out. Wire had to be replaced.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.